If you've updated your Chrome browser and are now using version 102, you should also have noticed something new in Google Lens. When you now do a search with Google Lens, and the easiest way to do that is find something you want to search for. In this case, I'm going to pick this image, do a right click on that image, and then say search with Google Lens. You'll now notice Google Lens opens up a little window on the right-hand side. It doesn't open in a new tab. It just lets you do it right next to where you've done the search. So in this case, search, and I'm looking, but I don't see anything. Gee, and I thought we were more famous than that. It shows you something that looks like the picture here, but it's not the guys from Tech for Senior. I guess we'll have to work on that. Maybe the next time it'll actually show us. But that's what's new. If you've updated Google Chrome to version 102, you also now have a separate window when you use Google Lens. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.